you want me to open ISM or?
Hello.
Hi. You want me to open ISM?
Yes. So basically, Adi, we captured IRP from there. Jazz has built it. So we got this particular ISM on MSI, which I told that day that we get an option to build it and then we get it. So directly, also you can create ISM MSI, but if that MSI doesn't work, in that case you can open the ISM and accordingly again from the ISM part we can build it. So either of the way you can use it. Sometimes it happens that the one MSI which we have downloaded, means like which we have built it directly, that doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, then you have to open that ISM, and then uh, with ISM we have to create an MSI.
Okay, got it.
So how we have to open an ISM? We have to open an ISM with install shield. So it will exactly looks like a MSI only. The same interface, the same GUI, everything is same.
Okay, so but only like in case if we want to open this file, we should have a ISM installed. Like, how about the end users in case if they don't have a?
So end user will obviously not have all this, right? You have
Okay,
to
yeah,
create
correct.
that MSI
So
and you have
and
to give it to them.
from there we are converting or what's that?
So you, either of the way, like from the IRP,
Okay,
if you build it directly, you will get ISM MSI both. If that MSI will not work, then from the ISM part you can open the ISM and from there also you can build it. The
okay,
best practice is that we should do it from the ISM, but the thing is it works. Even if you directly also do it, it works. So that is also not a problem. But if yeah, somebody asked you about the best practice, always say that we have to first create a IRP, then we have to create an ISM, then we have to create an MSI.
okay,
So this is see it's exactly the same interface of that ISM. Now we do the removals of the file, we add the properties and all that, whatever the same thing we did it for the MST, same thing you have to follow for the ISM also. Okay. Now if you have, like we have a shortcut icon. So when we build that application, now most of the time we don't see the icon, so we have to set an icon. So icon in the sense both for the shortcut icon and the icon which is visible in the add remove program, which is the control panel. So the control panel icon, you have to set it from this general information. So Jazz, in the general information, can you please come down completely? Yeah. So come down more. No, go up. There will be section of add so this is the section of add remove programs, and this is the section of display icon. So if the icon is not set, you can select on browse excuse me, and then you can browse that particularly whatever the application you have, that icon. If you do not have that icon handy, you can download it from the chrome, you can download it, you can browse and you can download it, and according to the extension whatever it is asking, it can accept the exe ico file also, I think. It could also accept jpg and png, and accordingly you can set the icon. So just try to browse, Jazz. Yeah, so this is how this is not a proper icon if I say for the Mozilla Firefox, because this is how it should not be visible. So we can download it and then we can keep that exe in any of the location and then we can browse it, or you can directly give that exe file through which we download the application. Via that also you can try. So any of the way, just that you have to get a full icon of the Mozilla Firefox. So I think this is also not the proper icon of Mozilla Firefox. So you can download it from the web, keep it in one location, and from there you can browse it. Yeah, this icon. So if you want to change the icon extension directly, if it is PNG and it is not accepting that PNG, then you can make it as JPG or ICO file or EXE. Just change the extension and it will work. And for example, sometimes it happens that it does not take the size. The size becomes bigger. So in the like you can browse it, we have many such links which allow you to minimize or maximize the size as per the requirement, and accordingly with that particular link that is completely free, you can minimize and maximize the size of the icons.
So should I save as like ISO?
You can save it with any format, whatever it works. Are you?
Yeah, it doesn't work again. So.
What happened, Jess? It's not working.
No, it's not picking up lines.
It's not taking out. Try to save the format. It is not taking out, then the icon will not be proper. Otherwise, if the format it is taking. Try with this PNG one. Yeah, save it with this format only. Save it with original format and then try. I think it will accept mostly. Give all files.
It
Okay,
doesn't
all
have.
file option is okay. All file option is not there. Either it is taking exe or DLL or ICO. Try to extract this exe. Wait, let me find it. Let me find it. This D source file. Firefox. See. Sometimes even if we extract that particular application, now we get the icon file. So you can try with that also, extracting that exe file. And we also get it in C Windows Systore. Let me see if I have. Did not got Jazz?
No, it's same. I think it's looking for
It's the
ISO.
same.
Yeah.
Let me see. I'm installing the application. That ISO also is ICO file also it is not taking, na?
IS is taking, but it's not displaying any like a icon.
Icon. Neither it is giving any error, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Do you have 7-zip or anything so that we can extract that exe file? Because sometimes when we extract that exe file, we get the ICO file also. So we can try with that.
Or we can install the Firefox. You want me to install and then?
Yeah, you can do it. It's there because I have just installed it. We have a firefox.exe in C program files Mozilla Firefox, so we can take that. So you can install and you can browse that. This issue you will mostly get when you will capture it. When we are creating an MST and if we have an MSI, then it will be already set to capture the IRP file. It's already set. Yes, you can browse this one, firefox.exe.
So how you want me to extract icon?
No, you don't have to
Or just
extract.
browse from the?
Yeah, from there you have to browse. Yeah, the first one or the sixth one, anything is fine. Okay, so it's done. So now the rest of the thing which we do it even when we create an MST, like disabling the change button, remove button, repair button, that you have to do. Then support contact phone number, that you have to add it. Along with that, you don't have to do anything. You have to directly go to the property. You have to add the property part. In the property part, just go to the property part, uh, the direct editor, or either you can go to the property manager. Yeah, either you can go to the property manager, or in the direct editor you can go to the property table. So we have to see which property we have to modify. Like the third one, I can see it is saying is check for product updates is one. This means that if the update will be there for that particular application, it is going to automatically update it, which we always suppress it, so we will mark that as a 0. So change it to 0. Then we can see agree to license is no. Then that also we have to make it as yes, capital Y. Then I can see one property is blank, so that we are going to delete it. Any property which is blank, does not have any data, then that we are going to delete it. So yeah, from there you can delete. Okay, come down. Come down. Yeah, see, we have many such blank ARP. You can delete it. Yes, delete this also. Reboot is marked as yes, make it as no. Reboot, yes, no. We have to mark it as no. So all this property you have to see first, which we added. Then rest which is not added, like reboot is equal to really suppress, root drive is equal to C drive, whatever your organization standard is there, you have to add it here. Either when you have created a direct MSI, there you can add it, or you can add it in the ISM. So this all customization once you have done, then you have to click on the release wizard. So when we build ISM to MSI, we click on the release wizard section. So click on the release wizard. Just it is completely there in the up section where we have new, open, save, traditional view. Yes, this one. So it will ask for few options. So click on next. So we will go via default way. Next. So in this particular folder, it will generate an MSI, which is the product configuration one. So when the next time when you are doing it, it will automatically get increased to product configuration 2. So it will create this particular folder in the C packages itself, where we have the IRP and all that. There it will create. Yeah, click next. Nothing, we don't have to change. Nothing, next. If it doesn't take, yeah, it takes. Huh? Then next, we'll make it default only. Next. Okay, wait. So this is the format. It is asking that how do you want to create it? The first one, what it will do, it will also create an MSI. Along with that, it will also create a exe file. So I explained also in one of the question that we get a application where we have a exe file, and therein when we extract an MSI, we get MSI also, and that MSI will install when we are trying, when we have kept that exe file also. So if we select the first option, we will get a combination of both exe and MSI file. The second is the compressed of the MSI file, in which everything will be compressed. And the last will be a combination, the release disk combination of an MSI file and data file. So what it will do that if you would have added the files and folders by yourself, then it will create an MSI, and also it will create a folder wherein whatever extra you would have added, for an example, you would have added shortcut or files or folders, so that for that it will create a particular folder wherein it will have everything. So as a default, we will go for the second option, which will create an MSI file, only .msi file. So we will go to the next step. No, untick it. Otherwise what it will do, it will create the exe file also. So we don't want to create an exe file, we just want an MSI file. Now click on next. Next. This is the last. Next. Yeah, so this is this one, it is giving you a complete information that what you are doing. Automatic update notification is disabled. What is the product name, product configuration, release name, and everything. Now we are going to build it. So now you can click on finish. So once this is building, we can see we have a two particular thing, tasks and build. So therein it will show you whether it is successful or not, whether it has a warning or it has a error. So if it has such type of warning or error, then we have to see why we are getting such warning and error, and then we have to see how we are going to resolve it. And accordingly, once we have resolved it, again we have to repeat this thing again. If we get a warnings, sorry, if we get an error, warnings we can ignore. Warning will not give you any issues while installing any application, so warning we can ignore. But if we have any error, then we have to resolve such errors. Click on tasks, Jess. No, not this one. Complete down one, we have a build now. We have tasks and build. Yeah, click on tasks. Yeah, move it up. What it is saying, it has a one warning. Click on build, it will give you a number of warning and errors. So see, it is giving that we have 0 errors and we have one warning. Let's see what is the warning, if we can see if we can ignore or we have to see it. Building a complex network image setup, all other build types are not allowed. So it is saying that we have unticked that exe file, creation of that exe file. That is the issue, that is the warning it is giving. But we don't want to have a exe, we only want an MSI. That is why we have selected that option. So this one we can ignore it. So now you have to go to this particular folder, that is the product configuration one. So this is the particular folder, C packages, MSI package, Mozilla product configuration one, release one. Therein only we will get that MSI file. Huh. So go to the Mozilla Firefox, the first folder, product configuration one, release one. Then it will be disk images, disk one. Why it is showing like that? Come down, come back. Is the license trial version got expired or what?
No, it's still there. I just installed this morning.
Log files. No, we should get it in disk images only. Why it is coming like that? See the log. Open this log. We'll see the logs. Did we selected the wrong option? Come down. This cap file. Building this MSI. Oh, we selected the right option only.
So it
Let
says
me
setup
see.
exe.created. So
Huh. I think we selected. No, but it was the uncompressed one. Let's try to do it again. We'll select another option. Again, try to do it. Next. 1 minute. See the media type. Yeah, it's fine, right? No, we don't. Just select default. Yeah. Next. A network image will consist of a single MSI or setup.exe file for all the media types. I think we have to select the first option. The program files will be compressed into CAR files that are separate from the MSI or setup. The leaf files are separate from the so it will include the Windows. But we selected the second one. It was right only. The release disk image will include the Windows installer package and all of your application files. Consist of a single MSI or for all the media types, the program files will be compressed into CAR files that are separate from the MSI or the image will a combination. Select the last one, custom one. One cap per component, one cap per feature. Yeah, fine. Next, untick. Next, next, next. Finish. Uncompressed, compressed. See now in that folder, again the same thing, not in this product configuration too. Release one, disk images, disk one. It is giving setup.exe only. Select the validation type. Directly try to build it once. That will be the second option. Maybe it is because of the trial version they are not allowing to do it, or it would somebody
It's
is somehow
working
it
though.
is detecting that the trial version is expired.
Yeah, trial version is still there, not expired.
Then why it is showing that? Do the first option also, but will not get. I know it's because of that trial version only. We'll try, but I don't think so. Will work. Next, next, next. Give the first one. setup.exe created.
Yeah,
It's
same.
because of that trial only.
Yeah, it's still got time, so it's evaluation.
See, in the free trial, they do allow to create that exe, that MSI. That is for sure. Maybe somehow it is detecting that we are using it second or third time. That is the reason. If we would have tried in the beginning, we wouldn't have get this problem. Okay, it is not. It will not do. Actually, it will not allow. So I have explained that this is how you are going to do it. That is how you're going to get an MSI. We know that we have an MSI which is captured from the IRP file. So if by chance it is not working as this, then you can get that IRP, they get that MSI file, see if everything is working or not. If everything is not working, then we have to try to fix it up, and that MSI we can deliver it to the customer.
So
It
this
is
is
because
working like which one? The one we go directly.
that we did previous week na, at that time it was
So
the
this one
first
is working.
installation. This is working, right?
Yeah.
Then fine, you
So we
can give this
so we
one.
can edit that and save it.
Yeah, you can edit it. You can give whatever that extension and all that is there na, icon file, then whatever the property I have told you, that and all you can give. Then if you want to add any extra thing, that you can do. So that MSI file, with whatever the format, whatever the organization standard is there, you have to give that, edit the property, add the property which you want, edit the icon file, and take the product code from here, and that product code will be used for the uninstallation. And that is how you can do the editing of your, you can do the editing of your modifying the MSI, and you can deliver this MSI to the customer. See, if we have the proper license of that admin studio, no, then for sure the second option which I told in the beginning, it is going to work, and you will get that MSI file. Any question, Adi? Adi is there or he's not there? He's there.
Yeah, Shreya, yes, yes.
Any question with respect to the repackager part?
No, it's like all good.
I think we can't edit this one as well.
What, Jazz?
So can't edit like icon.
Yeah, you gave the icon, na?
Yeah. Is it picking up? It's not showing the
It's,
browse.
yeah, this three icon is there, na? Yeah, this one. The three icon. From there also you can browse it. If you select, yeah, that three icon is there, na?
Yeah, but it's not picking up.
It picked up.
See?
I There were many icons. I think it picked up.
Okay. But it's not supposed to show the file like
No,
location.
no, no. It does. It will not show you the location. It will either show you with binary data 1 or binary data 0 or binary data like that. It will show you.
Okay.
Then accordingly you can change the remove, repair, and all that. Edit the contact and all that. You can edit. Go to the shortcuts one. Shortcuts. Yeah. Click on that shortcut. Yeah, Firefox. Okay. Go to the Firefox. See, the shortcut is advertised already. So if it is not advertised shortcut, then you can make it as yes or no. So there will be an option of yes or no. Advertised, yes. If you make it as no, it will be no. So always, whenever you have a captured, whenever you have an MSI, always try to deliver a shortcut and an advertised shortcut so that we can repair it. So if it is not advertised, you have to make it advertised by clicking on yes. So sometimes it happens when you make the shortcut as advertised, it says that the component is not set. So you have to see in which component that particular shortcut is lying, because we know that every component will have a file, folder, shortcuts. So you have to see where that shortcut is lying, in which particular component, and then accordingly with that particular component you have to give that name and it will automatically come.
So where can you find this like properties, change, close, restart, or users? Like, do you have any document where you say what else options are here?
See, basically, Jazz, we what we check, like is check for product update. That will be 0. If reboot, any type of reboot, for an example, in few application you will find reboot. In few application you will find restart. In few application it will be reboot and then bracket yes or no will be there. Then you have to make it no. Then agree to license or EULA will be written or I accept will be written. So all that you have to make it yes. Then sometimes it comes that register thing will become when we install any application, we get a page wherein they says that you have to register for this application. So if something like that with the name register only, it will come. So if that will be yes, then you have to make it as no. So only this particular 4 option you have to check. And then all users, obviously we know because we set that property. One, reinstall mode omius, if it is not rare, that you have
Also,
to add.
all users is default here, like
Yeah,
for
this is all
everyone.
user is default, yes.
Yeah,
So which
but
I am not.
if
Huh?
I like to change it, where can I find the properties for application users? So one is all users.
Hmm.
Where the other properties are, like say, I just want single user. I don't. Or,
See, no, if you want to make it as a single user, you have to just make the all user property, which is 1, you have to make it as 0. You don't have to edit this application users as all users. That
so
will be
where
same. We do not modify this.
so where is 1 and 0 for this?
Just search it in the grid. That search grid is there na. There you search.
Yeah.
Yeah, search all users. See, the last one, all users is equal to 1. So if
So
you want to make
if
it
I want a different if I want
uh-huh.
different property here or different value, so do you have any document where it gives me
No,
all the
we
value?
do, we do not change it in any scenario, in any case we do not
Now,
change it. This is
I'm
default.
not talking about this particular like all users. I'm talking about anything I need to change, say any property on here. So if I need
I
to
can
find the value,
I can give you that thing. It's
yeah.
not somewhere in the document, but I can mention here.
Just
Let me
in
mention
case I need
here.
to change any value here,
Ha
like
ha ha. I
so
will. I will.
where should I reference? Like any reference?
I'll mention all such properties. Yes. No. Will always make it as. So this is the first. Either the reboot or restart or reboot yes no will be there in the bracket. Always make it as no. Then the second is EULA. Then see, for every application the license agreement property can vary. So anything with respect to the EULA, anything with respect to the license, anything with respect to the I accept or accept thing, always make it as yes. That is particularly for the license agreement, so we have to make it as yes. Then is the Then is the is check for product update. This will suppress the update. So if that option is there, then from the value 1 we have to make it to 0. Then we have register. So anything with respect to the term register, it can be a register page or it can be register suppress. If it is yes, we have to make it no. That is particularly when we install any application. For few application we get the register page wherein we have to register, so therein we have to give this option. So just search in the grid, do we have anything with respect to the register part? It will be in very less application, not in all application, very rare, but maybe you can find it. So in that case, if it is yes, you have to make it as no. No, it's not there. So it is very rare. Means like out of 100 application, only in the 10 application you will get this option. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions with respect to the training, complete training we did, because today we are going to finish it. So if you have any question, if you want to ask anything, please go ahead and ask and I'll clarify and I will end it up today.
So where can we contact you, like in case we have any issues or any email address or something?
Okay, I'll give that also. So you can contact me in this mail ID. Any question, Adi? I have given the mail ID as well.
Okay, no, Shreya, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm all good.
So if you have any question in the future, you can drop me a mail and we can connect via team and all that as per the feasibility.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a bright future. Go ahead and explore the different packages and enjoy doing the packaging.
Yeah, thank you. See
Thank
you.
you. And I would request both of you, if you can give a feedback in the JOYATRES page, then it will be helpful to the team also, and it will be helpful for me as well.
Yeah,
The
sure.
way you like, whatever the feedback you have for the packaging training. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.